I tried applying a Baroque pattern to a layered Orthodox cross. The problem is, how do I make sure it has depth and not just a flat pattern? So someone has requested this cross and sent me the acanthus scrollwork pattern. I did research first to get more references and soon found out that this pattern is used in Baroque art style. I gave myself some time to study about this art style, engraving it to my mind before the actual work begins. When I'm ready, I created the Orthodox cross shape first so I can get my drawing area. And soon I met my first challenge. The cross is narrow, and I have to keep in mind to not make the pattern too thin, or else it will easily break when assembled. But I overcompensated and made it too thick instead. The problem with making it too thick is it only looks good on one layer. I want the final design to have layers and depth, and this can be achieved by making the layers behind wider. So I revised it on my Affinity and made it slimmer. It took another day, but I finished. Time to cut it. At first I made this cross to be hung and I used a keyhole hanger system. But then I asked myself, what if someone wants it to stand on the table? So then I created a base that acts as an add-on. No need for two different designs. And it has to be simple enough to make. Time to assemble and glue the parts. I have created a scoreline number on each layer. These numbers act as a layer guide so that you can assemble it correctly. Start from number 1, then take the number 2 and put the glue on its back, and put it on top of the number 1, and so on. And then the base. It's optional, you still can use the cross and hang it if you don't make this. I always like the texture of wood, so I didn't paint it. I'll leave it up to you to choose the color you prefer. What do you think?